Namaste children. Today we'll move on to the next session. In exercise 1.2, today we'll be doing the 7th sum. So this is an application sum of LCM and HCF. Let us read the sum and understand and find out it is for which application, LCM or HCF. Okay, that's what we are going to find out. Now read the sum. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field. So we have to take, suppose this is the circular path. I will make one more copy of the path and then indicate for the second person. Okay. Now this is the path. This is for Sonia, say. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field. So suppose this is the starting point, say. So Sonia takes 18 minutes to complete one round. So if they start in 0 minutes, so by the time she comes to the same starting point, 18 minutes will be over. Or in other words, for every 18 minutes, she will be coming to the starting point again and again. Are you understanding? Suppose if it takes multiple number of rounds. Okay, this is what you should clearly understand. Now next is, Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose if this is the, just because to indicate you for different speed and then different timing, I have drawn 2. Otherwise it is the same. This is the same place at which Ravi also starts rounding the track. Got it? So almost I mark it here. So by the time he completes one round, okay, Sonia will be somewhere here only. Okay, but because she is taking 18 minutes, this fellow will complete, Ravi will complete the same thing in 12 minutes, whereas Sonia will be somewhere far behind him. Are you understanding? Is it clear? So every 12th minute you will come back to the starting position. Is it clear to you? Have you understood this? Every 12th minute he will be coming to the starting point, whereas every 18th minute he is coming to the, Sonia is coming to the starting point. So this is what the assumptions you should understand. Now the question is, they both at the same time, at the same point and go in the same direction, all same. He is also going in the same direction. Sonia also going the same direction and Ravi is also going in the same direction. After how many minutes they meet again at the same time? So when they start at the same time, every 18th minute she will be here, whereas this fellow every 12th minute they will be here. But the first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, so you see this is her first attempt, say. So this is her second attempt. Again 18 minutes. So that is, so 54th minute she would have completed 3 rounds. Correct? The second round, when she finishes or when she comes to the starting point, 18 plus 18, only 36 minutes would have been over. Whereas at the same time, so he starts with 12 and then completes 24 minutes will be over. Again he comes to the same point and takes one more round, means this fellow Ravi would have finished in 36 minutes 3 rounds. Okay, so whereas the Sonia will complete only 2 rounds in 36 minutes. Is it clear? So you should understand the different speed with which they run or cycle or whatever it is. Okay, they go round. And now the question is, when do they come to the starting point again? Obviously this is the LCM of the two numbers 18 and 12. Correct? So when will they come again? So that particular time they come together should be a number or multiple of 18. For every multiple of 18 times, she comes to the starting point. For every multiple of 12, he comes to the starting point. They both should come to this at the same time. The same starting point means obviously it is possible only if we take the LCM. Therefore, we should find the LCM of 18 and 12. That is the first finding. Are you understanding? Now, if we can tell by mind, obviously it is 36 is the LCM. In case if you are not able to get it by mind, work it out and find out. So, what have we concluded? It is the LCM of 18 and 12. So, we have to prime factorize. It is 18, 2, 9, 3, 3 and 3, 1. So, we get 18 is equal to 2 into 3 power 2. What about 12? 12 we all know it is. We can do by mind itself. So, nothing wrong. If we do like this also, it is 1, there it is. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1. So, I write 2 square into 3 into 1. So, obviously the LCM is highest power of 2 is what? 2 square. And highest power of 3 here is 3 square out of these numbers, which is 4 into 9, that gives you 36. So, if they start at 0 minutes, they will come back to the same position after 36 minutes. That is the answer. So, what do we write here? The required number is the LCM of 18 and 12. That is the first step. So, you should conclude the answer like this. The required number is the LCM of 18 and 12, which is equal to 36. This is the first finding. Then how will you write the answer? So, after 36 minutes from the starting time, they will reach the starting point. Starting point. You have to finish it like that. Okay. This is how you should conclude the sum. Continuing with the same concept, I want you to work out these sums also, which is also very important. Okay. This sum also requires the application of LCM. Read the sum. In a school, there are 2 sections of class 10. There are 40 students in first section and 48 students in the second section. Alright? Determine the minimum number of books required for their class library. Okay? So that they can be distributed equally among the students of both the students. It's a very, very practical illustration. You all have school library and class library, isn't it? So, in your class library, there are some books, say. And there are 2 sections of 10th in your school, say. Okay, one strength with 40 and other with 48 students. So, whenever I distribute books, all the children of one class should get equal number. Same way for the other section also. They all should get the same number of books. So, minimum, how many books you have to stock in the library is the question. That is, the number of books that you are going to stock should be a multiple of 48, so that all 48 will get equal number of books. At the same time, it should be a multiple of 40 also, so that all 40 will get equal number of books. That is the challenge that we have to understand. Is it clear? And such a number is possible only if there are numbers of books which is a multiple of both 48 and 40. And you are supposed to find out the minimum number of books. That means that must be the LCM of 48 and 40. Are you understanding? That should be the LCM of 48 and 40. Is that clear to you? That's how you should do it. Therefore, you should start with the statement, the required number. First, you understand, read and understand the situation. The required number is equal to the LCM of 40 and 48. So how do we find it? 40 you divide by 2, 20, and then by 2, 5. 5 is a prime number. So 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 1. Now get 48. How do we do? 2 times 24, 2 12 times, 2 6 times, 2 3 times, and 3 is a prime number. Therefore, I write 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and then that is equal to 3 into 1. Correct? Rewrite this once again. 40 is equal to 1, 2, 3. So 2 power of 3 into 5 into 1. 48 you tell me in powers. 2 power 4 into 3 into 1. How do we select the LCM? For 2, it is the maximum power is 2 power 4, and then 3 is there and 5 is there. So 2 power 4 is what? 16. 16, 3 is what? 48. 48 into 5 gives you 48 into 5 gives you, so it is 240. Therefore, LCM is equal to 240. But here you are not asked directly what is the LCM. Minimum number of books needed for the library. So you have to write the answer statement as, therefore, the minimum number of books in the library (240). You have to finish your answer like this. That's how you should finish. Now how to check your answer is right? 48 you divide by 5. 48, so each child should get 5 books. For 240 you divide by 40. So each child will get 6 books. So all of them are getting equal number of books. Are you understanding? So this is how you should do. I want you to find out few more sums like this and start practicing. Wish you all the best. Have a good day. Thank you, children.